Friends and family ask me how to make dumplings, so here today I'm going to show that. We can buy this type of dumpling sheet from Chinatown. So you buy it frozen ones, and then you put on the refrigerator one day before, and then the next day, so it's already defrozen, so you can make it easily. Okay, so you put some meat stuffing inside the dumpling sheet. Don't put too much, otherwise you cannot close it. And you put some water on the top and the bottom. You close it, you press with your hand, and then you fold the other side of the sheet like this. You press, you fold, and you press. And the same on the right hand. You can put a little bit water. You fold, press, and then you press all together at the end to have this beautiful dumpling. And you put a little bit of flour to make it they don't be together. So you put like this.